Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Toshiba Wi-Fi not working in Windows 10. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. All you have to do is simply go here and search for network settings. Or you can see network settings right here for status. Click on it. Once you click on it, then it's going to show you to right here, where you're going to first click on the network reset. Then from here, you're going to make sure to click on reset now, and this will get your PC restarted and your internet connection with it. Then after it restarts, you're going to close here. Then you're going to go to control panel. Then in control panel, you're going to make sure that you are in category. In category, then you're going to go and network and internet. Then network and internet sharing. Once you are on this page, click on change adapter settings. Then from here, you're going to connect to the one that is usually the one connecting to your Wi-Fi. So for example, me here Wi-Fi, but if you're using Ethernet, you can do the same for there. Right click on it, click on properties. Then from here, you're going to search for the IPS4 protocol. So you can see Internet Protocol version 4 right here. Click on properties. Then from here, you're going to make sure that you turn here in this first box to fill it with 1, 1, 1, 1. And the second box should be filled with 1, 0, 0, 1. Once you do that, click OK, click close, X, and try restarting your computer one last time, and that should fix the issue. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.